Hi, we're here at Bob's Sports Cards in Howell, New Jersey. Today we're going to do a couple boxes of 2010 Triple Threads football. Great product, seen some awesome stuff out of it. Really excited to do it. A lot of big cards been pulled here at Bob's. So let's get going.
Alrighty.
Bring it off the hook.
Yeah.
Alright. Box 1, pack 1. Let's see what we get.
Just before I did.
Alright. First pack here, let's see. We've got Wes Welker, Sean Green, Eddie Royal, Gerald McCroy, triple jersey, auto rookie card number /50.
Where is that? You hold it up. I'll zoom in on it. Alright. Nice.
That's a nice card. Ryan Grant and Jim Brown. Let's see what's in this next one. Some big stuff's come out of here.
Yeah.
Alright, pack 2, box 1. We got Troy Polamalu, Sean McCoy, David Garrard, and an Andre Johnson, looks like 7 or 8 piece jersey, number /36.
Okay. Hopefully the next box is better.
Yeah, that box is a little rough. Anquan Bolden and Matthew Stafford. Alright, on to the next box.
Alright.
Let's see here. Alright. Pack 1, box 2. Ooh, that's thick.
Alright. Nice book or something.
Is
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a book?
No, it's not a book. It's not a book. It's just thick. Okay, that's a good one. Okay.
He cheated. He took a look.
I did cheat. Michael Turner, Fred Jackson, Felix Jones, and then we've got a Tim Tebow triple patch auto rookie card number /10.
Nice.
Oh, that's nice.
That's a nice card.
Very nice.
Good card right
Number
there.
7 of 10.
Awesome.
That's colors.
Great card. And then we got Brandon Marshall and Ronnie Brown. That saved us.
No, that was good, yeah. That's the way he played at the end of the year.
Pack 2, box 2. It's not as thick. Let's see.
You check this one? What am I hiring you for?
Alright, we've got Joel Revis, Demarcus Ware, Emmett Smith. We got a Javad Best 6-piece jersey, number /27.
Oh, not bad, rookie.
Not bad. Steve Smith and Donald Driver.
Alright.
Alright, so that's going to do it here from Bob's Sports Cards in Howell, New Jersey. See you next time.